Math 1 Final Benchmark number 39. A river guide buys protein bars and bottles of water for participants on a rafting trip. Including taxes, the river guide pays $2.50 for each protein bar and $1.25 for each bottle of water, spending a total of exactly $22.50. Which combination of protein bars and bottles of water is possible for the given amounts? All right, so all we have to do is take this and plug them in. So we're going to have $2.50 for protein bars. So there are 6 protein bars for this one, plus $1.25 for each bottle of water, 6 bottles of water. The second one's going to be $2.50 times 6 plus $1.25 times 9. And the next one's going to be $2.50 times 8 protein bars plus $1.25 times 5 bottles of water. And the last one's $2.50 times 8 protein bars and 6 bottles of water. All right, so if you just plug this in, multiply it out, the first one you're going to get $22.50. Well, it says exactly $22.50. So that means this one's going to be our answer. Let's see what these equal. Plug this one in, you're going to get $26.25. This one you get $26.25. And the last one you get $27.50. All right, so you can see that none of these are exactly $22.50 except for the first one. So if protein bars cost $2.50, bottles of water cost $1.25, you can get 6 protein bars and 6 bottles of water for exactly $22.50. So I would conclude that there are 6 participants on this trip. The answer to number 39